We are back here once again with the wonderful Milltek box, and behind me is the vehicle that this will be installed on, and this is a 2025 BMW G80 M4 CS. So CS, everyone knows that is the highest trim before the CSL, lightweight, competition sport, deserves some very good sound. So Milltek has designed this mid-pipe 102 millimeter specifically for the perfect OEM plus sound. It deletes a lot of that raspiness that a lot of manufacturers have in their exhausts, and this provides you with that throaty sort of 2J sound that should come factory on these cars. So enough talking, let's crack into the most desired part that you need for your G8X M3 or M4. If you've been watching us for a while, Milltek has been working with us for a long time, getting us a bunch of different parts for a bunch of different cars, and we always love using their stuff because it's always high quality, it always arrives really fast, and it always sounds very, very good. Right here, we have the classic clamps as well as the packing guide. So this right here, 2020 and on, M3, G80, and M4, G82. Pull out some connecting pipes first. As always, Milltek's normal fashion is perfectly stamped parts, all of the actual part codes, and then their made in England little tag. Another connecting piece, very nice as always. And let's pull out the main reason why everybody came to watch this video. The 102 millimeter big bore center section mid pipe. So this does so much for your vehicle. You will see yourself in the before and afters, but absolutely highly recommend this for anyone who owns G8X 80 or G82 M3 or M4, and this is your go-to. You will see in this video why it's your go-to, but that's just our opinion. That's it. That's the whole system right here. This is the mid-pipe system completed with a brace, because no one likes an exhaust that's bouncing around and or not protected if you're about to do 65 over a speed bump and have this thing slam into the ground. It's not what we're doing. And it's even stamped with the actual numbers. Classic Milltek function. This is some of the connecting pipes. Obviously being small, they're not going to put that tab on there or engrave into it. Right here, this is the go-to pieces you need for your BMW, because no one likes the rasp, let's be honest. Everyone has those same exhausts and they all sound, keep that to myself, they don't sound great. But we're going to get this installed right here, take off the factory mid pipe, get this going, and you will hear the difference yourself.